You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly, yes, in British English and American English, because you'll hear there is quite a significant difference. I mean, it's not huge, but if you want to learn more vocabulary, by the way, stay tuned. I've got more pronunciation videos. You'll want to listen to British English pronunciation. Pants. Pants. You know, trousers. American English pronunciation is as pants. Alright, so can you hear the difference? Pants, British English. UK pronunciation. Pants, American English. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.